How to rent a car from Enterprise. I'm going to tell you how to rent a car from Enterprise. First, visit Enterprise's website or call a local branch to start your reservation. Enter your pickup and return locations, dates, and times. Choose the vehicle that suits your needs for their selection. To rent, you must be at least 21 years old. Renters aged 21 to 24 may incur a young renter fee and could be limited to certain car classes. A valid unexpired driver's license with a photo is required. If you're using a debit card, additional documentation, like a utility bill, may be necessary, and not all locations accept debit cards, especially at airports. Enterprise requires a deposit at the time of rental, the amount of which varies by location and vehicle type. They offer optional insurance and protection products, but personal auto insurance isn't mandatory. Enterprise also provides a free pickup service from non-airport locations during business hours. Contact your local branch to arrange this. So, reserve your vehicle online or by phone, ensure you meet age and license requirements, have an accepted payment method, and consider arranging a pickup if needed.